Now am I audible? Yes. Okay. So, good evening again, and again welcome you to all on this Pioneer Academy. Um, so, today we are going to continue that topic, that is basic introduction of Indian geography. So, we will continue that topic. हो गया ना? चलो ठीक है. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we have discussed a lot of things about Indian geography, the location of India, and the northern and south, east, west point of India, the area of India, uh, length and width. A lot of things we have discussed in that class. Good evening, Surbi Sinha. Good evening. So now we are going to talk about the latitudinal and longitudinal extension of India. Okay. So are you ready, guys? Ready? So now let's get started. First of all, I am going to tell you about what is the longitudinal and latitudinal extension of India. So first of all, this is Earth. Just wait for a minute. Yes. So this is the earth in a round shape. Basically it has a geode shape, but okay. So this is a latitudinal line which is called equator. This is a 0-degree latitudinal line which is called as equator line. Okay. This line divides the earth into two parts. First one is northern hemisphere and then second one is southern hemisphere. So first of all, India is located here. India is located here. So according to this line, we have already discussed these things, but now I am going to revise these things. So first of all, this line divides total earth into two parts, and according to this line, India is located in the northern hemisphere. So now this is just like 0 degree. This line is called 0-degree latitudinal line. So in northern hemisphere it will be just like 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree, and this is 90-degree northern hemisphere. 90-degree northern hemisphere. And at the same time in the southern hemisphere it will be just like 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, and here is like 90-degree south hemisphere, or you can say southern hemisphere. So it is northern pole and it is southern pole or south pole. Okay. Yeah, please like, share and subscribe this channel. So this line or this point is called as Kanyakumari. This point is called as Kanyakumari. So from this point, the latitudinal expansion of India is 8 degree 4 minute. 8 degree 4 minute. And from here to here. This is the northern point of India, that is 37 degree 6 minute. It all will be the northern latitude, not southern latitude. Just like this is 8 degree 4 minute and this is 37 degree and 6 minute, and this is in northern latitude because the whole India is located in northern hemisphere according to this line. Now India has the island that is Andaman and Nicobar. So this is Andaman and Nicobar. The southernmost point of Andaman and Nicobar is called as Indra Point. Indra Point, and this island is called as Great Nicobar. So Indra Point is located here, and the latitudinal expansion of Indra Point will be 6 degree 4 minute. 6 degree 4 minute. When examiner asks you the latitudinal extension of India, the latitudinal extension of India, but the mainland of India, so you will have to answer 8 degree 4 minute northern latitude to 37 degree 6 minute northern latitude. Okay, but when examiner asks to you that what is the latitudinal extension of overall India, so you will have to answer 6 degree 4 minute northern latitude to 37 degree 6 minute northern latitude, because we have only one northern point, so it will be always 37 degree 6 minute. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about longitudinal extension of India. This was the latitudinal extension of India. Now we are going to talk about longitudinal extension of India. So this is the point, this is the western point of India. So according to this longitudinal line, India is located in, from here, India is located in 68 degree 7 minute eastern longitude. Eastern longitude, why? Because according to this line, India is located in eastern hemisphere. That's why I am saying that India is located in eastern longitude. Okay, so now it will be from 68 degree 7 minute eastern longitude to 97 degree 25 minute. 97 degree 25 minute. So when examiner asks to you that what is the longitudinal extension of India, so you will have to answer 68 degree 7 minute eastern longitude to 97 degree 25 minute eastern longitude. Okay, so this is the eastern longitude and western longitude. ठीक है, so now this is 8 degree 4 minute and this is 37 degree 6 minute latitude, and this is a longitude 68 degree 7 minute to 97 degree 25 minute. Okay, now we are going to talk about the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, this is the Tropic of Cancer. First of all, what is Tropic of Cancer? This is a latitudinal line located on the 23.5 degree northern latitude, is called as it is called as Tropic of Cancer, and the line which is located on the southern hemisphere 23 degree and half southern hemisphere or southern latitude is called as Tropic of Capricorn. So this line is called as Tropic of Cancer and this line is called as Tropic of Capricorn. But the Tropic of Cancer divides into India into two parts. Tropic of Cancer divides India into two parts. Okay, so now this is the Tropic of Cancer. This is Tropic of Cancer, which is called Kark Rekha in Hindi. This is Tropic of Cancer. It passes through the 8 states from India. First one is Gujarat, second one will be Rajasthan, third is Madhya Pradesh, fourth is Chhattisgarh, fifth Jharkhand, sixth West Bengal, seventh Tripura, and then eighth will be Mizoram. So these are the 8 states which Tropic of Cancer passes through from. Okay, first one will be Gujarat, then Rajasthan, then Madhya Pradesh, and then Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. These are the 8 states. Okay, these are the 8 states. Now we are going to talk about the standard मेरिडियन लाइन. ओके, मेरिडियन लाइन. देखो यहाँ पर अगर आप देख पा रहे हैं तो ये है आपकी स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन लाइन. ये जो है ये क्या, सॉरी हिंदी आ जाती है. So this line is standard meridian line. According to this line, we have to determine our time of India. So this line determine the time of India. Okay, this line passes through from 5 states, which are, first one is UP, then MP, then Odisha, then Andhra Pradesh, or ye Chhattisgarh. So first one will be Uttar Pradesh, then Madhya Pradesh, and this is Chhattisgarh. This is Chhattisgarh. This is Chhattisgarh, this is Odisha, and this is Andhra Pradesh. So these are the 5 states These are the 5 states which in standard meridian line passes through from. Okay, so according to this line, we will determine our time. Okay. Yes, Preeti Gupta. Right. Now, the second topic is international boundaries of India. The second topic is international boundaries of India. So, we will talk here about the international boundaries. There are 8 countries who share its boundary with India. Okay, there are 8 countries who shares its boundaries with India. First one is Pakistan. First one is Pakistan. Second one will be here Afghanistan. Afghanistan. This is the very smallest line which India shares with international country. Then third one will be China. China. Fourth will be Nepal. Then Bhutan. This is Bhutan. This is Myanmar. Myanmar, and it will be Bangladesh. Bangladesh. So you can see here there are 8 countries who shares its boundaries with India. So Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. This boundary is a terrestrial boundary, or you can say the land boundary of India. Okay, this is a land boundary or a terrestrial boundary of India. So this is the very smallest international boundary with Afghanistan, and this is the longest international boundary which shares with Bangladesh. It will be 106 kilometer, and it will be 4096 kilometer. 4096 kilometer. Okay. Good evening, DK Darshan. Okay, so we will continue this topic. First one is Pakistan, then Afghanistan, this is China, this is Nepal, this is Bhutan, Myanmar, and then Bangladesh. And then Bangladesh. The smallest boundary will be Afghanistan, and the longest will be Bangladesh. This is 4096, and this is 106 kilometers. Now we are going to talk about the boundaries name of international countries. Just like the boundary between India and Pakistan will be determined by a name, that is Red Cliff Line. Red Cliff Line. Red Cliff Line. Okay. And the boundary in kilometers will be 3323 kilometers with Pakistan. So the boundary name is Red Cliff Line with Pakistan, and in kilometers it will be 3323 kilometer, right? Then second one will be Afghanistan. It is Afghanistan, and it is 106 kilometer, and the boundary name is Durand Line. It is called as Durand Line. The boundary between Pakistan and Afghanistan also known as Durand Line. Okay, keep it in your mind that the boundary name between the Pakistan and Afghanistan will also called as the Durand Line, and the boundary name with India and Afghanistan will be called as Durand Line. Okay, and it will be 106 kilometer. Now we are talking about the Chinese boundary. So this is the Chinese boundary. This is the Chinese boundary which shares 3478 kilometers. 3478 kilometer, and this boundary is called as, from Arunachal Pradesh, this boundary is called as McMahon Line. McMahon Line. McMahon Line. Okay. Now this is Myanmar. This is Myanmar. Only 4 states of India shares its boundary with Myanmar. I'll tell you about that states, but this is Myanmar boundary. It is a natural boundary called as Arakan Yoma mountain range. Arakan Yoma mountain range. It is a part of Himalaya. It is a part of Himalaya. रितेश अग्रवाल, जो थंबनेल जो आर्टिकल्स का था ना, वो क्लास आपकी 2 दिन बाद लगेगी ड्यू टू सम रीजंस. वो वाली क्लास नहीं हो पाई, बट लगेगी. ठीक है. I know Rahul Fauzdar, but this class is mainly for Northeast student who don't understand Hindi. So that's why I'm teaching in English. This is Arakan Yoma mountain range and it is a boundary between India and Myanmar. Okay, and it will be 1643 kilometers. 1643 kilometer. Now we are going to talk about Nepal's boundary. So it will be 1757 kilometer. Please write it down in your notebook. It is very necessary to write these things, all these things in your notebook. So please keep it in your mind that this boundary will be 1751 kilometers. Okay, and there is nothing the name of boundary between India and Nepal. Now we are going to talk about Bhutan. Uh, Same as well. There is no boundary name of Bhutan in India, but it will be 699 kilometers. 699 kilometer. Our last country is Bangladesh. Our last country is Bangladesh. India shares its longest international boundary with Bangladesh. It is 4096 kilometer. I have already told you about that. It is 4096 kilometer and the boundary name between India and Bangladesh will be as zero line. Zero line. Zero line. Please don't confuse between 0 degree line or zero line. It is not 0 degree line. 0 degree line is called as equator, but this is not equator. Okay, this is only 0 degree line. In Hindi, we can say it a Shunya Rekha. So this is a 0 degree line which is only located in Tripura. Which is only located in Tripura. So it is between Tripura and Bangladesh. This is zero line. Zero line. Okay. So I hope all these things will be understood by you. Okay. So now these are the Indian states we are going to talk about. First one, it is Ladakh. This is Ladakh. And this area is called as POK. This area is called as POK. Okay. Now, this is Ladakh and this area is called as Aksai Chin. Aksai Chin. The line or the boundary line between POK and Ladakh is called as LOC. That means line of control. That means line of control. The line between Aksai Chin and Ladakh will be called as LAC, that means line of actual control. So line of control is located between POK and Ladakh and line of actual control is located between Aksai Chin and India. So now this is Ladakh, this is Himachal Pradesh, this is Punjab and this is Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh was separated in 2019, 31st of October 2019. It was separated. Now, this is Punjab, this is Rajasthan, it is Haryana, it is Haryana. Now, this is Uttarakhand, UP, MP, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, now here Andhra Pradesh, and this is Tamil Nadu, and now this is Goa, which is the smallest state of India. Smallest state of India. Now this is Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal, Sikkim. It is also called as chicken neck of India. It is Sikkim. And this is Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya, and last one will be Assam. So these are the 28 states. There are 28 states and 8 UTs, or you can say union territories, are there in India. So these are the 28 states which we have discussed about. Now we are going to talk about the international boundary of India. So I have already told you that there are 8 countries which shares its boundary with India. Now this is Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh. Okay, so these are the 8 countries. Now which states of India are share its boundary with Pakistan? So these are only three states and two union territory. Three states and two union territory. Just like first one will be Gujarat, second one will be Rajasthan, third one will be Punjab, and then Jammu and Kashmir, and this is Ladakh. So these are total five states, or you can say the three states and two union territory which shares its boundary with Pakistan, and it is 3323 kilometers. And the boundary name of India and Pakistan is called as Red Cliff Line. Now we are talking about Afghanistan. So this is the Afghanistan. This is Afghanistan. This is 106 kilometers boundary line, and this line is called as Durand. Only Ladakh shares its boundary with Afghanistan. Only one union territory shares its boundary with Afghanistan. Now this is China. This is China. There are five states who shares its boundary with China. Just like first one will be Ladakh. Ladakh is a union territory first of all. Then second will be Himachal Pradesh, third will be Uttarakhand, and then Sikkim, and fifth one will be Arunachal Pradesh. So these are the five states, or you can say four states and one union territory who shares its boundary with China. Okay, so this boundary in kilometers will be 3478 kilometer, and the boundary name will be McMahon Line, which is located between only Arunachal Pradesh and China. McMahon Line is just like here. Okay, now this is Nepal. This is Nepal. First one will be Uttarakhand, then second is UP, third will be Bihar, fourth will be West Bengal, and fifth will be Sikkim. So there are five states who shares its boundary with Nepal, and in kilometers it is 1751 kilometer. 1751 kilometers. Just revise with me. First one will be Uttarakhand, second will be Uttar Pradesh, third will be Bihar, then West Bengal, and then Sikkim. Okay, now we are going to talk about Bhutan's boundary. So this is Bhutan, and there are Sikkim and West Bengal, and then Assam, and then Arunachal Pradesh. So these four states will share its boundary with Bhutan, and it will be in kilometer 699 kilometer. 699 kilometer. Got it? Got it? No voice? Am I audible or not? Yes, I am audible. Now this is Myanmar. This is Myanmar, and the boundary will be in kilometer 1643 kilometers, and the boundary name is Arakan Yoma, which is a natural boundary which is a part of Himalaya, Arakan Yoma mountain range. So there are four states who share its boundary with Myanmar. First one will be Arunachal Pradesh. This is the Arunachal Pradesh. Second will be Nagaland, third will be Manipur, and then fourth will be Mizoram. So these are the four states. First one will be in sequence we are talking about. First one will be Arunachal Pradesh, second will be Nagaland, third will be Manipur, and then fourth will be called as Mizoram. Okay, so now the last country, this is the last country, which is Bangladesh. So Bangladesh, we are talking about these Bangladesh boundaries. First one, the in kilometers it will be 4096 kilometer, and then the boundary name of Bangladesh and India will be called as zero line. Zero line, which is only located in India or Tripura. It is only located in Tripura. Yes, I am audible. This is the boundary of Bangladesh. So these are some states. First one will be West Bengal, and then second one will be Meghalaya, third will be Assam, fourth will be Tripura, and fifth will be Mizoram. So these are the five states who share its boundary with Bangladesh: West Bengal, Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura and Mizoram. These are the 5 states, and it is the longest international boundary with Bangladesh we have. Okay, so this is the end of this topic, and now we had to discuss about the islands of India. So now I'm thinking that I can complete this topic also, the islands of India. So next topic will be this, islands of India. So be ready for this topic, new topic, islands of India. So what is the meaning of island? If I ask you that what is the definition of island, so what will you uh, give me the answer? Yes, all okay. What is the definition of island? So island, mainly it is a landmass which is separated from a continent first of all. Just like this is a continent, but island will be like this. It will not connect it like here. It will connect here, so it is not called as island. Okay, so it is a part of this continent, but this is called as island. So, first of all, the landmass which is separated from continent and surrounded by water from all the sides, it is called as, yes, Rahul Fauzdar, which is surrounded by 4 sides by water boundary. Okay, so the island definition will be like the land mass or the land area which is separated or distinct from the continent, and it is surrounded by water from all the sides. Just like this is the definition, this is the definition of island. An island is a piece of land that's surrounded by the water on all the sides, and it is distinct, or you can say the separate from the continent. Okay, so now you can look here. Please have a look here. This is a part of island, or this is an island. This is surrounded by water from all the sides. These are the all sides of this island, and it is not connected by any continent. You can see here right now. Yes. Okay, so this is an island. Now we are going to talk about how many islands in India, and on what island we are going to talk about. First one, this is Andaman and Nicobar. This is Andaman and Nicobar. This is a water body which is located on the left side of India. It is a Bay of Bengal. It is a Bay of Bengal. So you can say the Andaman and Nicobar is located in Bay of Bengal. Now this water body located in the right side of India, it is called as Arabian Sea. It is called as Arabian Sea. And here you can see this is an island. This is called as Lakshadweep. So Lakshadweep is located in Arabian Sea. You can simply say these are some islands. Then Andaman and Nicobar is located in Bay of Bengal, and then this is the Lakshadweep, and Lakshadweep is located in Arabian Sea. First of all, these two questions. Okay, so now we are going to talk about firstly Andaman and Nicobar, and then we will talk about Lakshadweep. So this is Andaman and Nicobar. So just look at here. First of all, Andaman Nicobar is an island which is a union territory of India, which is a union territory of India, and it is located in Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. Okay, there are total 572 islands are there in Andaman and Nicobar. There are 572 islands are there in Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, these are some important questions we have talked about. First of all, it is an Indian territory of India which is located in Bay of Bengal, and in Andaman and Nicobar there are 572 islands are there. Okay, now we will learn the names of these islands. We do not have the learn about the 572 islands. yes, Preeti, it is very necessary. It has to be separate from a continent. When just think about it. When it add, or you can say the connect into the continent, it will not called as the island. So this is the definition of island. It has to be separate from a continent. Okay. Now we will talk about only 7 islands of Andaman and Nicobar. First one, then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. First of all, these 4 islands are called as Andaman, and then these 3 islands are called as Nicobar. Called as Nicobar. So what does it name? First of all, this island is called as Northern Andaman or North Andaman. North Andaman, because it is located on the top or in the north. So this island is called as Andaman, North Andaman. This island is called as Middle Andaman. Middle Andaman. This island is called as South Andaman. South Andaman. And it will be called as Little Andaman. Little Andaman. Now this is Nicobar. So first of all, this is Car Nicobar. Car Nicobar. This is Little Nicobar. Little Nicobar. And this is Great Nicobar. Great Nicobar. So these are the name of these islands. First of all, first one is a North Island, or you can say the North Andaman. Second one will be Middle Andaman, and then South Andaman, then Little Andaman. And then Nicobar, we can say it is the Car Nicobar, then Little Nicobar, and the last one will be called as Great Nicobar. Okay. Then Indra Point is located here. Indra Point, which is the southernmost point of India, of overall India, is Indra Point, which is located in here, Great Nicobar. Okay. Now we will talk about the water boundaries between them. First of all, this boundary is called as 10-degree channel. 10-degree channel. Channel, you can say just like it is a water body which is located between two separate island. This called as channel. So this is a 10-degree channel. You can see here it is located between two islands. First one is Little Nicobar and then Car Nicobar. Little Andaman and Car Nicobar, sorry. So 10-degree channel separates two islands. First one will be Little Nicobar and Car Nicobar. Little Andaman and Car Nicobar, sorry. Okay, so 10-degree channel is located between Andaman and Nicobar. When examiner asks you that which channel is located between Andaman and Nicobar, then you will have to answer this is a 10-degree channel and it is located between Little Andaman and Car Nicobar. Now this water body is called as Duncan Passage. This water boundary is called as Duncan Passage. This is a Duncan Passage. Okay, this is Duncan Passage. And then thirdly, this is the largest island of Andaman and Nicobar. This is Middle Island. Middle Andaman is the largest island of Andaman and Nicobar. The Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar. It is located here in South Andaman. So this is Port Blair. I'll write here in the form of PB, Port Blair. So this is located in South Andaman. Okay. Now the Sombrero channel, first of all, here is a Sombrero channel, sorry. This is a Sombrero channel. Sombrero channel located between Car Nicobar and Little Nicobar, and this channel is called as Great Channel. Great Channel. Great Channel, which is located between India and Indonesia. This island is Sumatra, which is a part of Indonesia. Which is a part of Indonesia. So Great Channel is located between these two islands. First one will be Great Channel, Great Nicobar, and then second will be Sumatra. Is a part of Indonesia. So Great Channel located between India and Indonesia. Now this is the Saddle Peak. This is the Saddle Peak located between located on the North Andaman. This is a Saddle Peak. Saddle Peak. Saddle Peak is the highest peak of the Andaman and Nicobar. Saddle Peak is the highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar. The height of Saddle Peak will be 732 meter. Height will be always in meter, not in kilometer. Okay. So Saddle Peak is located on the North Andaman, and the height of Saddle Peak is 732 meters, not in kilometers. And now the highest peak of Nicobar will be, it will be Mount Thulier. It will be Mount Thulier. Thulier. It is located between, it is not located between, it is located on Great Nicobar. Saddle Peak is the highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar, and Mount Thulier is the highest peak of only Nicobar, not of Andaman and Nicobar, because the height of Mount Thulier is 642 meter. 642 meter. So when examiner asks you that which one is the highest peak of Nicobar, so you will have to answer Mount Thulier. When examiner asks to you that which is the highest peak of Andaman, so this will be the answer, Saddle Peak. When examiner asks to you that which one is, of the peak is the highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar, then you will have to answer Saddle Peak, because when we compare these peaks, this is most highest one. The height of Saddle Peak will be 732 meter. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to talk about the volcanoes of India. So first one, the volcano is located here. It is called as Barren Island. It is called as Barren Island. Barren Island. It is the most active volcano of South Asia. It is a this is the only volcano. It is active, and this is located nearby North Andaman and Middle Andaman. This is the only volcano we have. It is a active volcano. Actually, there are three types of volcano. First one is a active volcano. Then second one is dormant volcano, and then third will be dead volcano. So it is a active volcano which is located in Andaman and Nicobar, nearby North Andaman. And then second one will be, it is located here, and it is called as Narkondam. It is called as Narkondam volcano. It is located also nearby this barren volcano, and it is dormant volcano. Narkondam is a dormant volcano, and barren is an active volcano which is located in North Andaman, or the nearby North Andaman and Middle Andaman, and it is the only active volcano of South Asia. South Asia. I'm not Southeast Asia. I'm just only saying South Asia. Okay. So these are the things we have discussed about all the things. First of all, 10-degree channel is located between Andaman and Nicobar. Duncan Passage is located between South Andaman and Little Andaman. Sombrero Channel is located between Car Nicobar and Little Nicobar. And then Great Channel is located between Great Nicobar and Sumatra. Sumatra is a part of Indonesia. Then secondly, this one is Middle Andaman is the largest island of Andaman and Nicobar, and there are 572 islands are there in Andaman and Nicobar. And then the highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar will be Saddle Peak. The height of Saddle Peak is 732 meters. It is located in North Andaman. And then The highest peak of Nicobar is Mount Thulier. The height of Mount Thulier is 642 meters. Okay. Now this is a Port Blair, which is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar, and it is located in South Andaman. So these things we have discussed about. I think, I hope all the things are very clear to you. Now we are going to look at here. First of all, these four islands are called as Andaman, and these three islands are called as Nicobar. Okay, this is Andaman and this is Nicobar. Nicobar. This channel is called as 10-degree channel. This channel is called as 10-degree channel. This channel is called as Duncan Passage. Duncan Passage, and then this is a South Andaman, and Port Blair is located here. Okay, now this is Great Nicobar and Mount Thulier is located here, and then this is Great Channel. It is located between Sumatra and Great Nicobar. So these all things are very clear to you. I hope so. Now we are going to discuss some important things which we have missed. So first of all, the highest peak of India is the highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar is Saddle Peak, which is located in North Andaman, and the height of Saddle Peak will be 732 meters. 732 meters. And then Mount Thulier, the height of Mount Thulier will be 642 meters. 642 meters. These are some national parks which are located in Andaman and Nicobar. First one will be Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. It is located in Andaman and Nicobar. Then Campbell Bay, then Saddle Peak National Park, and then Galathea National Park, Mount Harriet National Park, and then Rani Jhansi Marine National Park. It is also called as Rani Lakshmi Bai National Park, but the main name of this national park is Rani Jhansi Marine National Park. Okay, so these are some national parks of Andaman and Nicobar, and then these are some tribes which are living into there. So first one is Onge tribe, then Jarave, and then Sentinelese, and then Champagne. It is not Champagne. People confused between these names, Champagne or Champagne. So it is Champagne, not Champagne. It is located in Andaman and Nicobar. This is the international airport of Andaman and Nicobar. It is called as Veer Savarkar International Airport. Veer Savarkar International Airport is located in Andaman and Nicobar, and it is an international airport. Okay, the High Court of Andaman and Nicobar will be Kolkata High Court. Kolkata High Court. गुड इवनिंग, मैं तुम्हारा चांद, आई एम योर मून. So these are some important facts which we have discussed about. So now we are going to solve some MCQs. So please solve some MCQs. These are the MCQs. First of all, how many islands are there in Andaman and Nicobar? Around 572, 570, 580 or 585. Please give me the answer, the right answer. We have only just 9 minutes. So please solve these MCQs very fast. How many islands are there in Andaman and Nicobar? Yes, name is name. Yes, very good. 572 islands. So there are 572 islands are there in Andaman and Nicobar. Very good. Very, very good. Yes, this is the right answer. Option A will be the right answer. Okay. Now, the second question is, which of the following separate of Andaman and Nicobar? Which channel is separated from Andaman and Nicobar? (10-degree channel, 11-degree channel, English channel or Indra Point? English channel is located in Europe, first of all. And the first woman who swim and cross this English channel is Aarti Shah. What will be the answer? Yes, option A is the right answer. Very good. That is 10-degree channel. That is 10-degree channel. 10-degree channel separates Andaman and Nicobar. The little Andaman and the Car Nicobar is separated from 10-degree channel. Very good. Very good. Then third question is, which of the following is the state animal of Andaman and Nicobar? This question I have not discussed with you guys, but the right answer will be dugong fish, the gentle sea cow. So this is the state animal of Andaman and Nicobar, dugong fish. Okay, and when examiner asks to you, because it is a question of current affairs, then where is located the Dugong Conservation Center? So it is located in mainly Mannar ki Khadi, Gulf of Mannar. It is located in Tamil Nadu, nearby Tamil Nadu. Okay, now this is the next question. Is standard meridian line of India passing from 82 degree and half western, 82 degree and half eastern, 82 degree of, yes, dugong fish is also called as sea cow. Sea cow. Yes. Dugong fish is also called sea cow. Ritesh. Don't confuse. Yes. Okay. So now the right answer will be, very good. Very good. The right answer will be option B. That is 82 degree and half eastern longitude. Not western, not northern, not southern. Because whole India is located in eastern hemisphere. So the answer will be option B. That is 82 degree 30 uh, eastern longitude, and it passes through from 5 states, and these are the 5 states. First one will be UP, then MP, and after MP it will be Chhattisgarh. CG is Chhattisgarh, and then Odisha, and lastly it will be in Andhra Pradesh, and then Bay of Bengal. So these are the 5 states which standard meridian line is passing through from. Okay, so now the last question of this class is, which of the following is the only active volcano not just in India but the whole South Asia? Please give me the answer. Havelock Island, Great Nicobar, North Sentinel Island, and the Barren Island. Please give me the right answer. Please give me the right answer. Preeti Gupta has written 36 instead of Chhattisgarh. Very good. Yes, D is the right answer. Very good. Barren Island is the most active volcano of not only India but the whole South Asia. Not Southeast Asia, just South Asia. Okay. So this was the last question. We will continue this class in the next session after 2 or 3 days maybe. So thank you so much for attending this class, and please tell me in the comment section that how was the class and have you enjoyed this class. Please tell me and please let me know in the comment section. So thank you so much. We will meet in the next session after 2 or 3 days. Till then, take care. Thank you so much. Bye bye, Ritesh. Okay, so take care of yourself, and then thank you. Okay, thank you so much and good night. Thank you.